Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am presenting MCQs of boiler engineering. These MCQs are very helpful for different types of tests. It is generally one video, so keep watch this video till the end. And one important thing, after reading the statement of MCQs, first try to solve by your own, then check your answer. So let's proceed these MCQs. Question number 1. A safety valve usually employed with stationary boilers is. Correct option is all of these. This is the arrangement of safety valve that is used in boilers. Question number 2. The economizer used in boilers is. So, economizer used to increase the thermal efficiency of boiler. So, correct option is option B. This is the economizer used in boiler. Question number 3. A safety valve mainly used in locomotive and marine boilers is. You already see the safety valve in which the spring is loaded in it. So the correct option is option D. And that's the spring that is loaded in a safety valve. Question number 4. Water tube boilers are. Water tube boilers are externally fired. Correct option is option B. Question number 5. Which of the following is a water tube boiler? So, Lancashire and Cornish are fire tube boiler, and Mcqs and Wilcox boiler is a water tube boiler. The correct option is option A. Question number 6. The high steam and low water safety valve is not used in. So it is not used in locomotive boiler. Question number 7. The biggest loss in the boiler. Biggest loss in the boiler is dry-in flue gases. The correct option is option A. Question number 8. Which of the following is a fire tube boiler? As Babcock and Wilcox is a water tube boiler, and Stirling is as a water tube boiler. So correct option is option A, locomotive boiler. And this is the locomotive boiler, in which you can see the fire, and it is a fire tube boiler. Question number 9. The performance of a boiler is measured by. The correct option is all of these. It is measured by all of these techniques. Correct. Option D is correct. Question number 10. Draft in locomotive boilers is produced by. So draft is produced by steam jet in boilers. Option C is correct. Question number 11. Which of the following boilers is best suited to meet fluctuating demands? So, locomotive boiler is the one which is best suited for fluctuating demands. So, correct option is option B. Question number 12. Locomotive boiler has generally 157 fire tubes and 24 superheated tubes. So correct option is option C. Question number 13. The steam temperature will increase in load in case of a boiler fitted with radiation superheater. So what happens when load increases in a boiler? What happens to the temperature? So temperature decreases when increase in a load. So correct option is option B. Question number 14. Water tube boilers produces steam at temperature dash than that of fire tube boilers. So it is generally a comparison between water tube and fire tube boilers. The comparison of a pressure. So what do you think? So water tube boilers produces higher pressure than fire tube boilers. So correct option is option A. Question number 15. The fire tubes in a Cochrane boiler are. So in a Cochrane boiler, the fire tubes are horizontal. Option A is correct. This is Cochrane boiler. You can see the fire tubes. It is horizontal. Question number 16. Lemon boiler is. So lemon boiler is high pressure boiler. Option B is correct. And this is the lemon boiler. Question number 17. The efficiency of a boiler is defined as. So efficiency of a boiler is defined as the ratio of the heats actually used in producing steam to the heats liberated in the furnace. Option A is correct. And mathematically, boiler efficiency is represented as, the formula is given. Question number 18. Which of the following statement is correct? So option A is correct, option B is correct, option C is true, and option D. So all the following statements are correct. So correct option is all of the above. Question number 19. Film boiling occurs at. So film boiling occurs generally at very high pressure. So correct option is option D. And this is the representation of a film boiling. Question number 20. Question number 20. Water tube boilers are generally those in which water passes through the tubes and flue gases around it. So correct option is option B. This is the water tube boiler in which the water is in the tubes and the flue gases surround it. Question number 20. Fire tube boilers are those in. So the correct option is option A. These are generally the opposite of water tube boilers. In this type of boiler, the flue gases is through the tubes and the water surround it. This is the fire tube boilers in which the flue gases are in the tubes. Question number 22. The number of fire tube boilers in the Lancashire boiler is. Lancashire boiler is generally a fire tube boiler in which 2 fire tubes are present. So the correct option is option A. Question number 23. Lancashire boiler is. So Lancashire boiler is stationary fire tube boiler, horizontal type, natural circulation type, or all of the above. Lancashire boiler is all the options. So correct option is option D. This is generally the Lancashire boiler. Question number 24. The basic job of feed water treatment in boilers is to overcome the problem of. So, feed water treatment in boilers is used to overcome corrosion, scale, carryover, or all of the above. So, the correct option is all of the above. Question number 25. Locomotive boiler is a. So, locomotive boiler is multi-tubular, horizontal, internally fired, and mobile boiler. So, correct option is option C. Question number 26. Locomotive boiler is the following type. So, it is multi-tubular, also horizontal, also internally fired also. So, correct option is option D. Question number 27. The water tube in a Babcock's and Wilcox boiler are. So, the water tube boilers are inclined in Babcock's and Wilcox boiler. So, correct option is option C. This is generally Babcock's and Wilcox boiler. So you can see the water tubes are inclined, such that it is at an angle with the horizontal. Question number 28. In a boiler, the heat is lost. So, in a boiler, the heat is lost due to all of these options. So, correct option is option D, all of the above. You can see the heat loss in a boiler due to flue gases, due to all of the reasons. So, question number 29. Thermal efficiency of well-maintained boiler will be of the order. So, for boiler with well-maintained, so the efficiency will be 90%. So, correct option is option C. You can see for a boiler representation, you will provide an input and an output, and something is lost due to operating and the efficiency formula. Question number 30. The effect of bleeding is that. So, the effect of bleeding is both the increases of the thermodynamic efficiency and boiler is supplied with hot water. So, correct option is option C, both A and B option. That was all about today. If you don't understand the reason behind these MCQs, please ask in the comment section. I will answer you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.